Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Charwood Suites. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool and a pet-friendly. Featuring an indoor pool and fitness center, this Columbus, Indiana hotel has accommodations with cooking facilities and free Wi-Fi and internet access. Indianapolis Airport is located 40 miles from the property. A full kitchen with a stove and dishwasher is included in every suite at the Charwood Suites, along with kitchenware and a dining area. A flat-screen cable TV and sofa bed are featured in the living area. Dry cleaning and laundry facilities are available at Columbus Charwood Suites. Guests can use the meeting facilities and free parking during their stay. The Edinburgh Premium Outlets can be reached in a 13-minute drive. Bloomington, Indiana is 35 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.